Hello.
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're the Mahonies. This is my amazing husband, Shan Mahoney, who will be talking with you in this video all about the stock market, Jamaican stock market, and how you can maximize on it. Now, if you're new to the channel, it's all about investment, making money. Well, now it's all about investment, making money online. Yeah. So now we're going to have, so previously it was all about making money online and just traveling. But now it's going to be about investment, making money online, and also or excursions, traveling, just the same. So if you're interested in all of that good stuff, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. So investment is a new addition to everything that we were already doing. All right, so my amazing husband has done a very good job in the investment market in here in Jamaica, and he has all the knowledge, so I'll allow him to take it away.
Yes, some of the knowledge, not all the knowledge, right? So yes, so thank you again, right? So just to let you guys know that first, I am not a financial advisor or anything like that. So don't take.
You're my financial advisor.
Okay, all right, right. So just don't take what I say as gospel. So I'm just speaking from my experience and my knowledge, stuff that I've learned throughout the years and so on, and I can just share a little bit of that with you. So I am no big expert or anything like that. You understand me? But I follow a lot of the experts, right? So I follow their trend, their advice, what they're doing, So
and it has been working for you,
right? Exactly.
For
right?
us.
So I'm just sharing just a little bit, like about what we are doing in the Jamaica stock market and so on, right? So we're just going to just share a little bit and talk and engage, right? So what we're going to do now, first and foremost, is to talk about what the Jamaica stock market is, right? And the Jamaica stock market, which is the Jamaica Stock Exchange, of course, it is just a public platform or forum whereby a private company, or public company as well, if they want additional funding, for something to do with their business or anything like that. So instead of going to a bank in order to get a loan or anything like that, what they do is they offer some of their company shares to the public, which would be you and I, right? So they offer some of those shares to the public, and we buy some of those shares. So now we become a part owner of said companies, right? And they take our monies and then they invest it into whatever they need to invest it in for their business. Right, so basically the stock exchange facilitates all of that, right? And and I can tell you that the stock exchange has made many people a lot of money here in Jamaica, right? I mean, Jamaica over the past 5, 6, 7 years now, the investing on the stock exchange has really become popular over the past five or so years now. Right, and many people, some people make a living just trading on it. Yeah. Some people have seen their investments grow because of the stock exchange and so on. Right. So first thing though, what I would recommend if you're new to investing is to first and foremost, get advice from a licensed financial advisor first and foremost. Right.
License?
Yeah, man, license, right?
Oh, so you're saying they should sign up for an account with a broker, maybe JMMB, Sagicor?
Yeah, that too as well. But just your introduction to investing. If you're brand new, right? So use our medium, the YouTube. Use the other like experts on the YouTubes and social media and so on. For additional knowledge, of course. But if you're brand new and don't know anything about it, I would advise you first, to find a licensed financial advisor first. You understand me? Because they're able to share more of the details and just give you more knowledge of what is out there, the opportunities that are out there that you can take advantage of. Because first and foremost, what you're going to do is find out what your income is, right? And your income will open you up to different opportunities. You understand me? Like a businessman have millions, whatever, he's going to get a different opportunity than you who's working just a normal job. I can tell you that, right? Based off of experience. You understand? And so on. right? So just
this is Jamaica.
So just speak to a financial advisor and get all the information that you need, all of the legal information as well, and they will be able to assist you with all of that. Right.
So how much can I invest when I'm just starting out?
Yeah, man. It all depends. You can invest a small amount of money. It don't really matter. If it's an IPO, which is a public coming on for the first time, their initial public offering and so on. Normally companies that are coming on the stock exchange would they would ask that the minimum number of shares to be taken up is 1,000. Right, and depending on if you're listing on the junior stock exchange or the normal one, then the junior one, I think the minimum price is $1. It's $1 per share, and 1,000 shares, so that's like $1,000 there.
Jamaican dollars.
Exactly, 1,000 Jamaican, right? So you can invest on the stock exchange with as little as 1,000 Jamaican.
I would say 10 though, because you want to see some money for your money.
Yes,
so the higher you go, the more money you make.
Yeah, true, right? But just for the question that you asked, the limited, the least that you can invest in is basically 1,000 Jamaican dollars, of course. But if a company is listed already, you can buy any amount of shares that you want. If a share is valued at $35, then you can buy one share for the 35, right?
So which company would you recommend someone starting with, a newbie? Which broker?
Well, as I said again, that depends on you. Like my wife and myself, we use JMB as our broker, right? But you also have a few of them out there, like NCB Capital Markets,
so Scotia,
Scotia Investments as well,
VMBS.
VM Wealth, and Sagicor as well, and Barita, and you also have Mayberry and those other ones, right? So you can basically sign up with any one of those brokerage firms, and what you need in order to sign up with those brokerage firms is a typical...
Same thing you need for banks.
Exactly, same thing that you need to sign up when you sign up a bank account, right? Your ID, TRN, reference, and all
Job
that.
letter.
Job letters and all of that. Right?
And if you're not employed, then where you get the money from?
Exactly.
They want to
and
know that.
Proof of income and so on, right? So those are the normal documents that they need, right? So anybody can sign up for an investment account once you're over 18, of course.
And also, if you have a bank account, for example, if you have NCB, I don't think you need all that stuff to open the investment account. Because with JMB, we didn't need all of that to open the broker account.
Yeah, because they had our information already, so they just share the information and so on.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, so we use JMB because their platform is pretty simple to use. It's simple and easy to use. And we just use them for ease. It's just convenient and it's easy to use.
Yeah, we had showed interest in working with Barita, but that wasn't a good turnout. So.
Yeah, you can check our video our past experience dealing with Barita, and we just didn't really
bother with them.
Exactly. So we just stick to what we know.
JMB is good.
Exactly.
We've been investing with them for the past 6 years.
Yeah,
and it has been good.
Yeah,
so no complaints there. So we definitely recommend JMB.
Exactly. Right. And basically, once you sign up a brokerage account now, then you're able to buy and sell on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Right. So you can basically buy and sell either through your personal brokerage firm, or you can add your brokerage account on the JSE platform, because the Jamaica Stock Exchange also has a trading platform as well, where you can list your brokerage firm on the platform and use them as a licensed dealer in order for you to trade and so on.
So if I'm actually just starting in the industry, which company would you say I should start with? Which company should I? What are some good companies that I can invest in?
Well, I can tell. Well, I was actually planning to share those throughout on a weekly or monthly basis.
Or series, because this is a series.
Exactly.
It's gonna be launching today, of course, or the time you watch this video, and then every Tuesday after this.
Yes, right. But
Tuesday or Saturday, we'll mix it up.
Yeah, exactly. But basically, my advice would be to just invest in strong, reputable companies with a good balance sheet, right?
Example.
You know, what I look out for is companies like Grace Kennedy. Grace Kennedy has been around from before me born. So you know, every year I remember when I was watching 7 o'clock news, you know, with my family growing up and going to school, and I would always wait on the business section of the news, and I would always say Grace, and year after year Grace has been growing and growing and growing. Grace is a reputable, strong company. You know, they always have good, you know, good stuff in the media about them and so on. So Grace is a company that you can basically trust. So that's a company that I would basically put my money into, you know, and other strong companies that you basically research about. You understand me? Strong companies that have good balance sheet, good management, right? So some of the indicators that I use is, you know, like if a company is being run good, you know, like what is the vision for the company and so on, you know, the profit and loss, of course, you know, the debt to earning ratio, you know, how much debt does a company carry, and how much, you know, like what is the ratio of their debt to how much they are earning, right? So if a company has too much debt, then I wouldn't try to invest into that.
How do you research these companies?
It's public information, right? So it is on their website. It's a part of their financial statement. So each quarter, the companies have to release their financial statements each quarter, right? So there are 4 quarters in a year, and 4 times a year they have to release their statement throughout the year. So you basically can read the statement by yourself, and if you can't read it by yourself, as I said, financial advisors, they're out there, they can help you. You can also research on your own. You know, if you see a term that you're not familiar with, just Google it. You understand me? Just Google it, because that's what I did. I taught myself just how to understand, you know, certain terms, you know, on the financial statement and so on, right? And so on. So
yeah, and he's launching a coaching business where he can actually teach you how to read those statements and give you advice on the best stocks to invest in, because he has done an incredible job just with our stock portfolio, and so he would definitely be a great person in your corner to get you off on this journey. All right, so we'll tell you more about that once it's launched, but yep, that's where we're heading.
Yes, exactly. Right, so as I said, you know, it's just companies like Grace Kennedy, you know them. You just read the newspapers out there, especially the business section. The only news I read is the business news, me personally. You know, I will always see what's going on in the world through social media. I don't need to turn on the 7 o'clock news to see what's going on or what regulation passed or anything. I will get the news on that. But one thing I do look forward to is reading the business news, because I get to see what companies are doing, you know, what they're doing, so that I can know if I'm supposed to invest more or take my money out or do whatever, right? So that's what I normally just read and just research. That is what investing is all about. Reading and research. Investing is not something which is complicated. It's just you have to just invest in good companies with a good balance sheet. And one of the philosophies that I use is to invest in companies that have productive like assets, right? If a company is basically very productive, not just selling real estate or in real estate is not something which is productive. But if a company is a productive company like manufacturing, you know, and so on, those are companies that I love to invest in, because those companies have real value, real assets.
Because people
so,
eat.
Yeah man, all of that, you understand? So I would share a lot more. This is just an introduction, right? And I will get more, more details, more graphics involved, and so on, and show you stuff on the computer that I normally do, and so on, right? So this is just the beginning. You know, let's start our journey together, and let's learn together, and let's make some money together as well.
Alright, so remember to get this video out to the other people, you got to like it. You watch the video, you like the video right now. Subscribe and share. And comment below, what are you looking forward to hearing about the stock market?
Yes.
Have you started investing in the stock market, or you just don't have a clue of what to do? Let us know in the comments below. Alright, we're so excited for this journey, and he's going to teach you guys so much. because sometimes I'm lost when he's talking. So don't worry, you're not going to be lost. We're going to guide you along the way. I've come a long way since because I used to be all about saving, and saving money doesn't make you money. Okay, it's literally going to be stagnant. So let him guide you along the way. I'll be here as well. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like right now, subscribe, share, and comment below what you're looking forward to, and let us know if you have already started investing.
Yeah, see you guys.
Bye.